Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a small business birthday card. Let's begin by mentioning the things you can't do on this template. You can't change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. The only artwork here on this template are the balloons and the social media icons. The color cannot be changed. Everything else on this template can be modified. You can change the color of the background. You can change the color of this shape here. You can change the color of the text, the size, and you can select a different font type. And that goes for all the text within the template itself. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. Let's remove the placeholder and upload our logo. This logo has a transparent background. If your logo has a color background like this one, what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down to the section called Frames and select the circle. Click on your logo and drag. So if you were to change the color of the background, your logo should blend in without any problems. You have the Spanish template below, and on the last page, your social media icons that come with your purchase. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.